I'm going to be making chicken and sausage Cajun Jambalaya. So what you're going to need, the seasonings you're going to need are light salt, ground black pepper, smoked paprika, olive oil, Chef Paul Proudoms Magic seasoning blend, toasted onion and garlic, Tonneys Chacheries, cayenne pepper, salt-free Toney, and then paprika. And I'll show you what to do after that. The reason I'm cooking outside is because it's a nice day. So all the seasonings I said just like a second ago, you're gonna want to put in the chicken and put that in a pot and drizzle some olive oil and some of the olive oil, and then keep on add some Toney, and then add a lot of smoked paprika where it looks like this, and then try to cook the juice out, and I'll be back. I took the liquid out of my chicken. So what you want to do is let it stick for a little bit to brown it. Once it starts to brown a little bit, we're going to put our tasso and sausage and vegetables and stuff in. So this is what is in it. Some onion, like pepper, tasso, and sausage. So I'll be back with you after I brown my chicken. So now I'm going to put my vegetables in, my onions and my peppers. So you want to put it in with the chicken, but it's browned enough now. So where it makes the juice from the onions and peppers, so you want to get all of this in. And then I'm also using an iron pot, by the way, if you're wondering what kind of pot this is. So just stir this around and cook the onions and vegetables, all the vegetables, and I'll be back with you. So now I am going to put my sausage and tasso in. So carefully put it in. And by the way, I'm using a longer one, by the way. You'll probably can notice. And it's getting dirt. Put all my sausage and tasso in. And then cook all of this up, and I'll be back with you. And put some chicken stock over time. So now I put my sausage and tasso in and let it cook for a little while. So now I'm going to season it with some garlic. Not too much, because you don't want to over-season it. And I'm going to put a little more. And a tiny bit more. Okay. So now we're going to stir up this garlic. And then I'll be back with you to tell you what to do next. So now we're going to put in 3 cups of rice and then 3 cups of chicken stock or chicken broth, whatever you can find. And this is unsalted, by the way. Unsalted chicken stock I'm using. So I'm going to start putting 3 cups of rice in, and then after we put the rice in the chicken stock or chicken broth, we're going to let it simmer, and I'll be back with you. So now we finished cooking the jambalaya, and we also put some parsley. I don't know if you can see, but you might be able to see some parsley. And so then we brought it inside, and then, so what you want to do is stir it around, stir it real good, to fluffing it up, and then it is ready to serve. So let's get some food onto a Thanksgiving plate, because it's almost Thanksgiving. And then bring it over here. Yeah, it's pretty moist. See? It's moist, so you can always take out some of the moist by cooking it some more if you want, but if you like it moist, just keep it moist. And it's well seasoned. I just can't stop eating it. Too good. And don't forget to check out Spider Duck's channel. And don't forget to subscribe.